Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all so much for being here today. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar truly are amazing. Did you know that apple cider vinegar has a very rich, storied history, dating back to ancient civilizations where it was used for food preservation and medicinal remedies to treat sores and wounds as far back as 400 BC? Today, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine offers a range of health benefits. Rich in acetic acid, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, aid digestion, and promote weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness. Its natural antibacterial properties support gut health and may help with managing acne when used topically. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is known to boost metabolism and improve heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Whether it's added to water, used as a salad dressing, or included in smoothies, apple cider vinegar is a simple yet powerful addition to enhance overall health. This video aims to explore the remarkable advantages of incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, providing you with valuable insights and practical tips. Join us as we delve into the world of apple cider vinegar and discover how it can enhance your everyday health and beauty regimen. Apple cider vinegar is rich in essential components, including acetic, citric, and malic acids, which play a vital role in its health benefits. Additionally, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar contains beneficial enzymes, probiotics, and nutrients that enhance its effectiveness. Using this type of apple cider vinegar ensures you receive the maximum advantages, as the filtration process can strip away valuable elements. These nutrients contribute significantly to health by aiding digestion, regulating blood sugar, and promoting weight loss, while also enhancing beauty through improved skin clarity and hair health, making apple cider vinegar a versatile addition to your wellness routine. Apple cider vinegar offers a range of impressive health benefits. Its antibacterial properties make it effective in killing germs, while its anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce swelling. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to assist in managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar levels. Additionally, it plays a role in managing cholesterol levels and can aid in weight control by promoting a feeling of fullness. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar is often used as a natural remedy for common ailments, including colds and arthritis, showcasing its versatility in supporting overall health. Apple cider vinegar serves as a powerful natural remedy for various skin issues, making it a valuable addition to skincare routines. Its antibacterial properties help prevent acne by combating the bacteria that cause breakouts, while its astringent qualities work to tone and tighten the skin. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can help balance the skin's pH, promoting a healthier complexion. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your beauty regimen, you can harness its numerous benefits for clearer, more radiant skin. We encourage you to explore the transformative effects of apple cider vinegar and elevate your skincare routine naturally. Apple cider vinegar can be an effective solution for preventing acne and pimples by helping to balance the skin's pH levels. To create a simple apple cider vinegar solution, mix 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Apply this mixture to affected areas using a cotton ball or pad, allowing it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. For optimal results, it's essential to use this treatment regularly, ideally once or twice daily. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent skin toner for oily skin, as it helps keep the skin clean and pores clear by removing excess oil and impurities. To create an effective apple cider vinegar toner, mix 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. For added benefits, consider incorporating a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or lavender, known for their antibacterial properties. However, it's crucial to test the mixture on a small patch of sensitive skin before full application to ensure there are no adverse reactions, ensuring a safe and refreshing skincare experience. Apple cider vinegar can effectively combat dandruff and enhance scalp health by addressing common causes such as dryness and fungal overgrowth. Its antifungal properties help eliminate the yeast that contributes to dandruff, while its acidity balances the scalp's pH, promoting a healthier environment. To create a vinegar scalp treatment, mix 1 part raw, unfiltered vinegar with 2 parts water and add a few drops of tea tree oil for its additional antifungal benefits. For optimal results, encourage regular use of this treatment, applying it weekly to maintain a flake-free, healthy scalp. Apple cider vinegar is effective in reducing foot odor due to its strong antimicrobial properties. These properties help combat the bacteria and fungi which cause unpleasant smells. To create a soothing foot soak, mix 1 cup of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a basin of warm water. Soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the apple cider vinegar to work its magic. For best results, maintain foot hygiene by incorporating this treatment into your routine regularly, ensuring fresh, odor-free feet and promoting overall foot health. Apple cider vinegar is a fantastic addition to hair care routines as it effectively removes buildup from hair products and dead skin, promoting shiny and healthy hair. To create an apple cider vinegar hair rinse, mix 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. After shampooing your hair, pour the mixture over your hair, massaging it into the scalp and strands, then rinse thoroughly with water. This treatment not only enhances shine, but also helps balance the scalp's pH. We encourage you to incorporate this rinse into your hair care regimen regularly for optimal results and vibrant hair. Yellow nails can result from various factors, including nail polish stains and smoking or fungal infections. Apple cider vinegar can help restore their appearance due to its natural acidity and antibacterial properties, which work to lighten stains and promote nail health. To create a nail soak, mix equal parts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and lukewarm water in a bowl. Soak your nails for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse and moisturize. We encourage regular use of this treatment to maintain healthy, bright nails, ensuring they look their best and free from discoloration. Regular use can make a significant difference. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce the appearance of cellulite by cleansing pores and toning the skin, promoting a smoother texture. Its natural astringent properties help tighten the skin, while its detoxifying effects can improve circulation. To create a cellulite treatment, mix 1 part raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of your favorite carrier oil such as coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. Massage this mixture onto the affected areas for about 10 to 15 minutes. We encourage you to combine this topical treatment with dietary changes for the best results in minimizing cellulite and enhancing overall skin health. In this video, we explored the numerous health and beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar, highlighting its effectiveness in promoting wellness and enhancing skincare. From aiding digestion and managing weight to improving skin clarity and reducing dandruff, apple cider vinegar proves to be a versatile natural remedy. We encourage you to try the recipes and tips shared throughout the video to experience these benefits firsthand. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video for more valuable insights and tips on incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Bye for now.